Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to transplant baby peppers into bigger containers. So let's get straight to it. I have started these from seeds. Here are my packets. I got jalapeno and yellow. And they have been in these smaller containers for about, I want to say 2 weeks now. And they've been growing excellent so far. And now I'll be transferring them into bigger containers so they can have more room to spread their roots and get a little bit bigger before I take them outside permanently. It's still a little bit too cold, probably in the 50s, and I don't want to risk it and take them outside and have them get damaged. So I'll be transferring in these bigger trays for the time being. So let's get straight to it. I got these containers, but like always, I wasn't thinking in advance. And normally I would cut these right here. That way it's easier that I can just pull out each section instead of having a whole tray. So this one's gonna get a little bit tricky. There we go. Let's see if I can use my knife. Oh yeah, worked excellent. Let me just get this one since it's closer. Before you transfer them, you want to examine them. That's what I do personally. See, this one does have a little bit of damage, so does this one. But these four are pretty good. So I just pluck. I'll pluck out the one that's damaged. I don't know if you can see it, but it's damaged. So it's like evolution, baby. The strongest ones survive. All right. The way you want to do it, you want to pack the dirt, the premix in, and you want to make a hole pretty much as wide as this container is, even if you have to pretty much take some out. All right, now comes the tricky part. If I was smart, I would have cut it down here, that way I can just handle one at a time, but we're gonna have to do it this way. So you pretty much make sure that they're moist, and then just squeeze the container a little bit so the sides will be released. Also tap on the bottom. This one, it didn't grow straight from the center, it grew from the corner, so it's gonna be a little bit more trickier. But let's get to it. Ooh, still moist, still moist. Now you can just flip your spoon over to the handle and go in and pop out. Oh baby, oh baby. This one's on the corner all the way. Yeah, this one's gonna be tricky. Let me see if I can flip it out. If I can flip it out. Oops, oops, oopsie days. Yeah, I think this one's a goner. I'm scared that I will break the roots. All right, here we go. All right. Whoa, I'm definitely not doing this one again. I'm gonna cut this whole piece out. it's you can't handle it correctly. See right here, you can still see the plant and the root. They're still intact. So you want to be very careful because these are very, very fragile. So you just want to slowly position it in there. And once it's standing, you can fill it with some more of the premix. And there you go. This is a little bit tricky, but with enough practice, you're going to become an expert. So make sure, quick little tip so you don't be in the same situation as me, make sure to cut these on the edges. So instead of holding 3 or 4 containers at once, you just have one container. It will make it a lot easier because you'll be able to squeeze from all the corners. And that's about it. We got 1 pepper transplanted. And now I'll add some water. This one is just a little bit, just to sink the dirt down a little bit. Alright, that is how I personally transplant peppers into bigger trays. I still have a lot of them to transplant. I'll probably just have this whole tray full of peppers. Then I have another on the tray, and I got a lot more trays and containers. So I'll be transferring these peppers, and then I'll start some new seeds from something else. There you go, guys. Simple and easy way to transplant. Make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. Or if you have any tips for me, also drop it in the comments. And stay tuned. I'll be releasing a lot more videos on the progress of the peppers and the garden itself. So see you in the next videos.